Hi there, my name is Tej and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the Holdex token. We're going to study what it is all about, its white papers, and how you can buy one for yourself. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there.
So I'm on the BSC scan here, and over here you can pull out the contract address. Always do your own research and do your own little audit. And if you want to pull out the contract address, it's actually available on few other networks. So you can just go over here and you're going to find all that information right over there. So that's basically all about it. So now let's jump into the Holdex Finance website. So as per the website, the Holdex team combines the passion with the industry expertise and proven record in finance, development, and marketing. You can click over here to read their documents, and you can click over here to log in and register. And the ICO is already sold out at the time of filming this video, but still IO sales continue on the exchange for $0.5. You can buy Holdex token from these exchange as follows. So basically I'm going to show you how you can purchase that towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So the Holdex team combines a passion for industry expertise and proven record in finance, development, and marketing. Holdex ATB will be a platform for those who want to profit from algorithmic crypto trading without hindering their daily job. And then we have HAP scanner. So basically what it means is that as per the website, they are glad to present to you the Holdex ICO landing page application, and this app will list and present you new crypto projects which are secure and have the potential to rise. And then we have the Holdex Launchpad, which is an ICO platform, and they are glad to present to you the Holdex ICO landing page application, and this app will list and present you new crypto projects which are secure and have the potential to rise. Let's go down. So over here we're going to take a look at the suite of features powering the evolution of DeFi. So they have swap, where you can swap or trade quickly and cheaply. You can always stake, which kind of provides you liquidity to earn rewards. You can do yield farming. You can earn yield through fees and yield farms. And then we have wallet, so you can keep crypto assets safe over there. And these are some news updates that they have posted on the website that you can take a look to stay updated about the project. Also, you can follow them on the Twitter page and the Medium page, and that's a good way to kind of analyze how the public is responding to this entire project. And here is a look at some of the partnership and collaborations they have done. So it has collaborated with CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Yahoo, Binance, some of the big platforms out there, which just adds more credibility to this platform. Now they also have something called their app, which is under construction. So this is where you can actually swap and place an order and all that fun stuff. So what exactly is Holdex Finance? So Holdex Finance is a governance token, and for now Holdex Finance is decentralized AMM with yield farming incentives, mint free, and a unique token distribution design. Holdex Finance is powered by Holdex token, which adds a layer of governance and powers self-contained pools and farms. It will be compatible with Ethereum and Huobi EcoChain and Binance Smart Chain networks. When we go down a little bit, you're going to read that it has a total fixed supply of these many tokens, and a maximum of about these many Holdex token will be in circulation in the initial exchange listing, and currently coins with the same circulation amount in the market are sold in the range of $75 to $300. And the initial listing price will be a minimum of $1. Most projects make their investors suffer by selling all the coins they have, and what they're going to do is they're going to lock the coins allocated to the team to unlock 10% every quarter, and holders always win, and our team will be Holdex forever, says join us. I really found this interesting, so I'm just going to read over it real quick. So DeFi protocols are popping up left and right. There's yield farming, yield mining, BSCMMs, clones, scams, and it's kind of hard to tell the difference between a genuine project and the one that may not quite be what it seems. Holdex stays away from unsustainable short-term returns or yield programs and instead leverages open source technology from some of the leading edge projects in DeFi such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and Reflect. And here we take a look at the tokenomics. So we can see the total supply they have, the yield farming, the platform designers, how much marketing is involved with the Holdex, and all that fun stuff. Basically, what they aim to be is to be completely transparent, ultra safe, and earn guaranteed and low risk decentralized finance center for investors in digital currency. And you will be able to trade with swap on our platform, and you will be able to earn interest with yield farming, staking, and private investment pools. And you'll be able to automate your investment process with our HAP, which is Holdex annual percentage yield, and HATB, which is Holdex auto trading bot application, which ideas and projects belong to us. Now we take a look at the Holdex ATB, which will be a platform for anyone who wants to profit from algorithmic crypto trading without giving up their day job. Then we have Holdex ICO platform, where they're going to list and present to you crypto projects that have just started and are secure and have potential to rise in our Holdex ICO landing application. And then we have the DeFi ecosystem. So the definition of DeFi is a concept of financial ecosystem living digitally on a shared infrastructure. Record sums have been pouring into DeFi protocols for over a year as investors chase the generous returns afforded by lending, borrowing, decentralized trading, and synthetic protocols. So that's a little bit about different type of projects they have been working on. And here is a quick look at the roadmap just to see where they plan to be by 2023 in Q3. And this is the Twitter page of Holdex Finance. It has 3,430 followers. It's still very new and early in the stages, but they have done a lot of PR and good marketing in terms of, like, if you're going to search for Holdex Finance, the SEO is going to pop up articles, which is kind of a good stuff because it's just going to bring more eyes to this project. And we can see that there are a lot of articles that have been talking about this project, which is definitely a good stuff. Kind of helps it gain more popularity and gets more people interested in it, which is good, especially for people who want to be in it for the long run. So let's say if you did your research and you're like, you know what, I want to buy this project. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your account, and I already did that. And over here you can see that I have 1,667 Holdex as my balance in my account. So let's say if I want to go ahead and purchase it, so you can do it through ERC20 network or the BEP20 network, and you will click the BNB that you have and how much you would like to contribute. So let's say you want to buy another 1,500, the sales bonus, and the total Holdex token you will click, and the total Holdex token, and you will click make payment, and you will go pay via crypto, and you will click I hereby agree, and then you're going to click buy token now. So in order to do this, so it has now been completed, and all you have to do is send this amount to this address below on the BSC network. So I would copy this and I would paste it to any of my other wallets I'm sending this to, and once I do that, I will confirm the payment. And you want to input your wallet address to help them match up the orders, and you will click confirm payment now. You want to give it a couple of minutes, obviously, to go through the process, and you can also go under all transactions, and you should see it come up here. And if you want to check out the ICO distribution link, just click at the top over here, the start date, the hard caps, the referral bonus, and different phrases here at different prices. So right now we're getting it at 20 cents per 1.5 million Holdex, whereas in phase 3 it will go up to 30 cents. So that's basically how you go about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.